So it's cornstarch and water. We mix probably equal parts, maybe a little less, a little more. And so it's called a non-Newtonian fluid. It's both a solid and a liquid. So it's liquid when it's at rest, but then if you put pressure on it, it acts like a solid.
Wow, trippy.
Yeah, and then it all kind of gets...
That melt again? Wow.
Yeah. Cool, huh?
So it changes quickly.
Yeah, it does. Definitely.
Wow, so
Yeah.
it's solid when it's rest, but when you move, it's like liquid.
Exactly.
Wow.
Yeah, and so if you put pressure on it, then that's when it turns into a solid. And it's just cornstarch,
wow.
water, and food coloring.
What's this?
What is that?
I don't know.
You found it. Oh, what does it say?
I think it's a coin for...
Ecology something. Ecology Centers Farmers Market, it says.
Yeah, so it's a EBT coin.
Oh, wow. So you were doing this thing like I thought the slime. First it was a slime.
Yeah, it looks like slime, so it moves kind of like that, like a liquid.
Wow.
Yeah.
Very witchy material.
Yeah, we're trying to do spooky science.
Spooky. Oh, I can touch it like that.
Yeah,
Ooh. Oh, but you know, like I got the soy sauce
Oh,
on my
gotcha. Okay.
Thank you so much
Yeah,
for showing.
you're welcome.
Yay, bye.